The complete story of the incarnation of Lord Parshuram. Lord Parshuram is considered to be the sixth incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He was born in the lineage of sage Bhrigu as the son of Maharishi Jamdagni and Renuka. Parshuram is considered to be a great devotee of Lord Shiva and a great warrior. He did many works to eradicate arrogance and unrighteousness from the earth. Parshuram was born at a time when the atrocities of the Kshatriyas had increased on earth. He is a partial incarnation of Lord Vishnu. At the time of his birth, the gods and sages blessed him that he would destroy unrighteousness on earth. His mother Renuka was a very religious and ascetic woman. His father Maharishi Jamdagni was a truth lover and a scholar of the Vedas. He made Parshuram study both weapons and scriptures deeply. Parshuram had acquired proficiency in yoga, meditation, scriptures and weaponry since childhood. He pleased Lord Shiva with his hard work and penance and received the divine Parshu, axe, from him. Lord Shiva gave Parshuram the powers to conquer death. He learnt the art of weaponry from Shiva and received many divine weapons including Brahmastra. The great and powerful king Kartavirya Arjuna, Sahasrabahu, of Heha dynasty was a very brave king. He had extraordinary powers due to the blessings of Lord Dattatreya. One day King Kartavirya Arjuna came to the ashram of Maharshi Jamdagni. Maharshi served him special sattvic food through Kamdhenu cow. The king became greedy on seeing the power of this cow and abducted it by force. When Parshuram returned to the ashram and came to know about this incident, he became extremely angry. He fought against King Kartavirya Arjuna and killed Sahasrabahu in a fierce battle and brought back the Kamdhenu cow. The sons of Kartavirya Arjuna killed Maharshi Jamdagni to avenge their father's death. When Parshuram came to know about this, he became sad and angry. He destroyed the Kshatriyas who were growing evil and egoistic in the world 21 times. He challenged every Kshatriya king to a battle and destroyed those who committed sins and ego. When Lord Sri Ram broke the bow of Shiva, Parshuram appeared before him. He raised the question, who can break this bow? Parshuram could not recognize the divine form of Lord Sri Ram. He challenged Sri Ram, but when he recognized his divine form, his ego broke and he bowed down before Sri Ram and laid down his weapons. Parshuram was also alive during the Mahabharata period. He is known as the Guru of great warriors. He taught the art of weapons to Bhishma, Dronacharya and Karna. But when Karna kept the secret that he was a Kshatriya, Parshuram cursed Karna that he would forget the art of weapons in life. Parshuram is considered to be one of the 7 immortal, indestructible, great yogis. It is said that he is still doing penance on Mahendra Parvat. He will be alive on earth to protect Dharma till the end of Kali Yuga. Significance and teachings of Parshuram. The story of Lord Parshuram teaches us it is necessary to destroy adharma and establish truth and justice. Ego and lies are punished. Progress can be achieved in life through satsang and penance. Protection of nation and dharma is possible with proper guidance and weapons. Parshuram Jayanti and Puja rituals. Parshuram Jayanti is celebrated on the Tritiya of Shukla Paksha of Vaishakh month. On this day, devotees bow their heads at his feet and seek inspiration to follow the path of dharma.